Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this LED vanity light. This features the K6000 white LED lighting. This is a 24-inch one. I believe they come in different sizes, 16. This features an acrylic front like housing for the light, and then this metallic base here. So comes with some instructions here real quick on how to put this up and all the hardware we need. So let's just go install this and show you guys what it looks like. Oh, right, my friends. So the first step to installing this is we're just going to go ahead and remove these screws here. Just get your Phillips head screwdriver. Take these out real quick on either side here. There's the first one. And then I'm just going to get the other one as well. Okay. And just remove that. Okay. What you want to do also, make sure your wires, test them with your wire tester, make sure that they are dead. Okay. First things first, my friends, I'm just going to install this right on here. I've got a ground here, and then that's going to go over this. If you have anything like this in there, this can just be removed from the previous junction box there. If something's a little loose, it can be tightened up if necessary. Okay, and then this should just go on there. Let's see, that in our junction box there, which needs to be this at a 45-degree angle. It's going to be vertical, so I'm going to take this one out, screw that into there, I think. So we're going to take this old existing one out. All right, so we get this on there. And you want to make sure that these ones are level, or else your thing's going to be a little off. So we'll go ahead and put this one in right there. And you can hand tighten these down as much as possible. And then you're going to get our level on there, and we're going to make sure that these are nice and level. Before we tighten it down all the way. Okay, so get our level on top. And we're going to want that. Get our level right in the middle. Okay, so that's where we want it. Tighten that down. Okay. That's good. Now that is level, we can take our gear here and hook that up real quick. Okay, so this is going to have a ground there, and we have the L and the N, live and neutral. So we have the white and black ones here. I'm just going to connect our ground real quick. Just twist that around a little bit. And then put our little cap on there. All right, and I'm going to poke that back in there, just like that. Okay, for this, now we have our neutral. This might be a little tricky here. And our live, so the two black wires, put those together, obviously. So here's this black one. And just kind of twist those together. Okay. And then we'll take our neutral one, the white one. We'll do the same thing. It's a little tricky. I'm holding this light fixture isn't heavy, so I'm just holding it with my pinky while I do this together. So hopefully I'm giving you guys a good angle there, but it's a little bit tricky since I have to hold this up with my pinky while I'm trying to twist this on here. Okay, once those are good, we're just going to push those back into our housing. Got plenty of room back in there, so we're just going to push those in there and feed these in there as well if we can. Okay. Then we get our regular, oh, I got my screwdriver across the room there. Hopefully that's going to stay. It does. And now I can just get this, get our, whoa, that was close. Get our one screw on there. And what you want to do is just don't tighten it all the way until you get your other screw on top. So there's my one screw on. And then I have another screw that goes on top here. It's going to be a little tricky since I cannot see up there. So, okay, there's my hole. I just got to kind of trust that I can. I can't believe I'm that lucky. Did it go in there? It actually did. Oh, wow, that's incredible. Okay, so we found our. I can't believe I did that the first try. Okay. And just tighten that. It doesn't have to be super tight. Look at that, nice and clean. I'm gonna patch this up. It did a little, the last one on there made a little thing in there. But looks pretty good there, my friends. Let's turn on the light here and see how well that works. And there we have it. Puts out a nice glow of light there. Okay, my friends, well, here it is. You can see it puts out a decent amount of light. This is more of the white type lighting that is given off. So this isn't a very big bathroom, and it's not like the brightest light out there, but if you like that nice white light, it's a clean looking, super lightweight and easy to install, nice little metal frame. It's like matches our black faucet and other stuff we have going with this. So it looks sleek and easy to install, puts out a decent amount of light. Yeah, great little thing. If I were to put it in this bathroom, I probably would do two of them, maybe one on each side of the mirror. That could look kind of cool. But anyways, my friends, thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. You guys have a great day out there, and I will see you next time.